guys, Kristen with Ryonet here with another 90-second tip. As we all know, a printer's time is just as valuable as money, so I'm here to give you a quick tip on how to save both with Ryonet's Dunk Tank. A dunk tank is used to loosen the emulsion prior to reclaiming, aiding in a much easier washout. And it also takes the place of an ink degrader and emulsion remover. From the very beginning, the Ryonet Eco Dunk Tank saves time and money. So before we do a side-by-side comparison of both a standard reclaim process versus a dunk tank, there's a few housekeeping rules that I'd like to go over. First off, remove as much of the ink and tape from the screen as you can, because the less gunk at the bottom of the tank, the longer its chemicals will last. Whatever you do, fill up the tank with water first, then add the chemicals last. You don't want a room full of bubbles. Trust me. Once you've prepped the tank for use, start by soaking your screen in the chemical for 1 minute. The amount of time will be determined by the freshness of your chemicals, choice in emulsion, as well as mesh count, so be sure to do some testing and adjust accordingly. With a 30-gallon tank, like the one I'm using here, you can go through on average 250 to 300 screens before having to refresh the chemicals. And lastly, you'll be able to tell when it's time to change out the chemical when you notice the emulsion not washing out as easily, especially when a good bit of time has passed since the last you refreshed the dunk tank chemical.
As you can see, you and your shop will be able to reclaim quicker and for cheaper. Thanks for watching this 90-second tip. Be sure to follow us on Facebook or subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great screen printing videos.